Are puffy eyes making you feel less confident? Whether it's from a late night, stress, or just one of those days, I've got solutions to help you look refreshed in no time. Today, we'll explore fast remedies, long-term tips, and products that actually work. Stick with me, your eyes will thank you. Let's start by understanding the problem. Puffy eyes happen when fluid builds up under the thin, delicate skin around your eyes. This can be caused by lack of sleep, dehydration, high salt or alcohol intake, allergies, stress, or even your genes. While some factors are beyond our control, there are plenty of ways to reduce puffiness quickly and prevent it in the future. For instant relief, here are my top 5 tried and true remedies. Cold spoons. Place 2 chilled spoons over your eyes for 5 to 10 minutes. The cold constricts blood vessels and reduces swelling. Cucumber slices or potato rounds. These hydrate and soothe inflamed skin. For bonus points, chill them in the fridge before use. Tea bags. Steep green or chamomile tea bags, let them cool, and place them over your eyes. The caffeine and antioxidants reduce inflammation and tighten the skin. Ice globes or jade rollers. Gently massage around your eyes to drain excess fluid and improve circulation. DIY eye mask. Mix coffee grounds with a little honey. Apply it under your eyes for 10 minutes, then rinse. This works wonders thanks to caffeine's anti-inflammatory properties. Now, let's talk about the products. Look for eye creams with ingredients like caffeine, hyaluronic acid, or peptides. These ingredients help depuff, hydrate, and firm the skin. Some of my favorites are listed in the blog, linked in the description box. Prevention is just as important as treatment. If you want to wake up with bright, puffy-free eyes, here's what you need to do. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to flush out excess salt and reduce water retention. Sleep well. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Elevate your head slightly to prevent fluid pooling around your eyes. Cut back on salt and alcohol. Both can cause water retention, leading to puffiness. Add antioxidants to your diet. Foods like berries, spinach, and nuts help fight inflammation from the inside out. Manage stress. Stress affects your whole body, including your eyes. Try meditation, yoga, or even a quick walk to unwind. And let's not forget allergies. If you're prone to seasonal allergies, treat them with antihistamines or natural remedies like a saline nasal spray. Keeping allergens at bay can drastically reduce puffiness. Want even more tips and tricks? Visit my blog, link in the description, where I share detailed step-by-step instructions and a list of my favorite products to fight puffy eyes. I've also included bonus tips for long-term care that you don't want to miss. Remember, puffy eyes don't have to be your norm. With the right habits and a few quick fixes, you can look refreshed, confident, and ready to take on the day. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty and wellness tips. See you next time.